Today we're making cookies. We are using Pillsbury's chocolate chip cookie dough. Pillsbury. So we have a pan, a cooking pan underneath, and we have a sheet, a non-stick sheet, so it doesn't stick to it. And always make sure you have a grown-up or anybody, and always to make sure that you wash your hands. This is what the cookie dough looks like out of the wrapper. You could either cut it with a spoon or a knife, and you have to cut it 2 inches apart. Remember to space out your cookies evenly. So guys, if you make a lot of balls, then you can use 2 trays because you don't want them to go together. Always remember to preheat your oven. Okay guys, remember to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay guys, my cookies are in the oven and will be in 12 minutes to come and check on them. Guys, do you remember when I baked my cupcakes? Those were super good. Comment down below if you like bacon, and I might do another video of me making cookies. So comment down below. Comment down below. What do you want my next video to be? I was thinking that we could do a giant pancake or a giant cookie or edible slime. Comment down below what you want our next video to be. Guys, they're like really big. Like that battery there is like really big. And that one, it's like slowly going down, but that one's like down. So like some of them I made big kind of, but like all of them were small, and then they turned big. And last time I made cookies with my mom, and it turned into like a giant cookie, but we were able to cut them. It's really fun to bake cookies. You eat them. You eat them and they're super good. And comment down below if you want to control my life for 24 hours. 24 hours. 24 hours. Listen! It's been 12 minutes and our cookies are ready. We're gonna wait 10 minutes so our cookies get cool. These cookies are super simple to make. Okay guys, I'm gonna have one. I can't wait. I'm gonna have this one. Oh my god. It's really good. Every time I take a bite of this, like a cookie, inside of the chocolate, it like melts. It tastes super good. Okay guys, Always be thankful for your parents because they help you do fun things and they buy you things and they help you do videos. So always be thankful for anybody or anyone. And always make sure you have a parent with you because you want to get burned and stuff. So thanks for watching. Give us a huge thumbs up. Click subscribe and turn on. Okay. See you guys later. Bye.